15 mind-blowing animal defenses that will leave you speechless. Each of these animals demonstrates unique adaptations that allow them to survive predatory attacks, showcasing the incredible diversity and ingenuity of nature's defense strategies. Number 15. A skunk. Skunks are best known for their chemical defense mechanism, where they spray a potent, foul-smelling liquid from glands located near their tail. This spray is a sulfur-containing compound that can be ejected accurately up to several meters. The smell is so strong and unpleasant that it can be detected by humans from up to 1.5 miles away under the right conditions. Predators, learning from unpleasant past encounters, often recognize and avoid skunks to sidestep another stinky confrontation. Number 14. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish are masters of disguise, utilizing a network of pigment cells and muscles in their skin to change their appearance almost instantly. This capability allows them to mimic the colors, patterns, and even textures of their surroundings, making them virtually invisible to predators and prey. They can also display dazzling patterns to communicate with other cuttlefish or to intimidate potential threats. This dynamic change in appearance is controlled by the cuttlefish's visually complex brain, reflecting its environment and emotional state. Number 13. Electric eels. Electric eels possess specialized cells called electrocytes that generate and discharge electricity, producing intense electrical pulses. These shocks can reach up to 600 volts and are used both to stun prey and as a potent defense mechanism against predators. The ability to release such a high-voltage shock makes the electric eel one of the most formidable creatures in its habitat. Number 12. Pufferfish. Pufferfish are known for their unique ability to inflate themselves rapidly by swallowing water or air when threatened. This sudden inflation increases their body size significantly, making them difficult for predators to consume. The transformation not only makes them bigger, but often reveals spiky spines that were previously laid flat against their body, adding an additional deterrent against being eaten. Number 11. Eastern indigo snake. The eastern indigo snake, one of the largest non-venomous snakes in North America, uses deception for defense. When threatened, it may hiss loudly and vibrate its tail in dry leaves, imitating the warning sounds of a venomous rattlesnake. This mimicry serves to scare away potential predators who might be wary of encountering a dangerous rattlesnake, providing the indigo snake a chance to escape. Number 10. Hagfish. When attacked or threatened, the hagfish produces vast amounts of a unique slime from specialized glands along its body. This slime expands when it contacts water and can quickly clog the gills of predatory fish. The predator is often forced to release the hagfish and try to clear its gills, giving the hagfish a chance to escape. The slime is so copious and effective that hagfish can deter much larger marine predators with ease. Number 9. Pistol shrimp. The pistol shrimp wields one of the most powerful and rapid weapons in the animal kingdom. It can snap its claw shut so quickly that it generates a high-velocity water jet, forming a cavitation bubble. As the bubble collapses, it produces a loud snap and shockwaves that can stun or even kill nearby prey. The implosion reaches temperatures close to those on the surface of the sun and briefly generates light, a phenomenon known as sonoluminescence. Number 8. Malaysian exploding ants. In an extraordinary display of self-sacrifice, certain worker ants of this species can explode themselves when their colony is under threat. They contract their abdominal muscles vigorously to rupture their body wall and release sticky, toxic substances from their glands. This suicidal mechanism helps to deter and trap invaders, protecting the colony by stopping predators with a lethal barrier of toxic goo. Number 7. Opossums. Opossums use a remarkable survival tactic called thanatosis, where they play dead when threatened. This act can last from a few minutes to several hours. The opossum collapses to the ground, exudes a foul-smelling fluid from its anal glands, and remains stiff and unresponsive, making it appear as if it has died. Many predators prefer live prey and are put off by the smell and sight of a dead animal, prompting them to leave the opossum alone. Number 6. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is a master of disguise and one of the most fascinating examples of mimicry in the natural world. It can change its shape, color, and texture to imitate more than 15 different species, including lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish. This ability not only helps it avoid predators by appearing more dangerous or unpalatable, but also allows it to sneak up on prey. Its dynamic mimicry is used defensively to imitate venomous species that predators are likely to avoid, providing a striking example of adaptive evolution. Number 5. Porcupines. Porcupines are equipped with thousands of sharp quills that cover their bodies. These quills are loosely attached, but can become embedded in the flesh of any predator that comes into contact with them. The quills have barbed tips that make them difficult to remove once embedded, often leading to injury or infection in the attacker. This passive yet effective defense discourages most predators from considering porcupines as prey. Number 4. Bombardier beetles. Bombardier beetles defend themselves by ejecting a hot, noxious chemical spray from the tip of their abdomen. The spray is produced by a chemical reaction inside the beetle, reaching boiling temperatures and emitted with a loud popping sound. The spray can injure small predators and provides an effective escape mechanism from threats. Number 3. Sea cucumbers. When threatened, sea cucumbers can expel their internal organs through their anus to entangle and confuse potential predators. The expelled organs can be sticky and sometimes contain toxins, which can deter predators. Remarkably, sea cucumbers have the ability to regenerate these lost organs within a few weeks. Number 2. Texas horned lizard. The Texas horned lizard possesses an extraordinary ability to shoot streams of blood out of its eyes. This blood, which can be ejected up to a distance of 5 feet, contains a chemical that is foul-tasting to canine and feline predators. It acts as a shock tactic to confuse and discourage predators, allowing the lizard time to escape. Number 1. The hairy frog. The hairy frog, also known as the horror frog or Wolverine frog, has a gruesome but effective defense mechanism. When threatened, this frog can intentionally break the bones in its toes, which then puncture through the skin of the toe pads to form sharp claws. These claws can be used to fend off attackers, making it one of the few known vertebrates that uses its own bones as weapons.